Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Ibrahim Adam bin Khairuddin. My matrix number is 23 DRM 20F1035. Today, I'm going to present you about oral presentation outline about the product that I'm going to present you. Okay then, the product that I shall introduce to you is Samsung's washing machine, or should I say Samsung top load washer with deep softener 10 kilograms. The code for the washing machine is WA10R5260B G/FQ. This product provides two features. First, it has child lock system to avoid any hazardous accident involving children. Second, it has magic filters that gathers the flint, the fluff, and the particles that came out of your laundry, so clothes always appears spotlessly clean. There are two different example characteristics of this product. This product has a net dimension of 610 mm wide, 1075 mm of height, and 675 mm of length. It also has a net weight of 41 kg. There are two different examples of function for this product. First, it serves multiple choices of cycle wash. Examples are rinse and spin, quick wash, and super clean. Second, you can also customize your option list for your different type of clothing, such as delay end, deep softener, water level, wash time, rinse time, and spin time. Not to mention, there are three appealing values of this product. First, it uses less energy consumption, around 40% less than a normal washing machine. Second, it also makes less detergent residue in your clothing. Third, and lastly, it is more easy to access the door than a normal washing machine. And by buying this product, it also provides 2 years warranty if any technical problem that might occur in the future.